Yeah, she's so pretty. What a pretty bird. What a pretty bird. Pretty, pretty bird. Thank you. I know you hear me. I know you hear me. You're so pretty. You're pretty. What a pretty boy. Thank you for letting me take a picture of you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. You going bye-bye? What a gorgeous bird. What a gorgeous bird. Thank you. And I'm only like a couple inches away from the, there, I might help a little bit so you can actually see him right side up. I'm sorry if it's been the wrong way this whole time. But that's him, or her. Blue jays, it's harder to tell. What a pretty bird. And he's off, and he'll come back. And see, he's probably feeding a nest, it looks like. He'll come back. He knows food's here. Sorry for showing you the wrong way for like the longest time. But I'm surprised that he's coming back, but he's not scared of me. I think we've actually kind of gotten used to each other. He only gets a little scared of Piper. Piper is elsewhere. I'll give him another minute and see if he'll show up. Pretty bird. If not, he might be done, like I said, for the day. But I think he's going to be here off and on. And I'm thankful that he came to my porch to eat and